house that I designed for myself and the house that I live in full time. Hey, so you know that I build tiny homes on an island here in Texas, but I also built my own tiny house and I live in it full time with my adult son, a 110-pound Akita, and a cat. And honestly, I wouldn't want it any other way. The 6th tiny house I built, and I built it for myself. I absolutely love my house. I can't even express how much I love it. It's a little different than it was when I first built it 3.5 years ago. I've made a few changes, but overall, other than some minor cosmetic changes, pretty much the same house I built 3.5 years ago. At no point have I ever thought to myself, I wish I had a bigger house. This literally has never even crossed my mind. I think the reason is because this floor plan is so well designed. It's done so efficiently. There's just not any need for more space. And that's one of the things that I'm kind of known for. Getting the absolute most out of every single bit of square footage available. There's no loft, just 600 square feet of actual usable living space. I build tiny houses. I also live in one full time. Not by myself. I live with my grown son who's home from college. He started living there when he was back in high school. He loves it. We both love it. There's plenty of room for both of us. We don't feel like we're tripping over each other. We feel like we have our own privacy. Our bedrooms are on opposite sides of the house, which was designed that way for a reason. Okay, so one thing that I have to mention about living in a tiny house that is of utmost importance, I would say, the storage. Make sure there are storage solutions everywhere. Storage everywhere. Come on, I'll show you what I mean. Not trade this house for anything. That is how much I absolutely love it. The only thing that I can possibly think that I would do, that I would modify in that house, is since I hope to be there until I'm old, I might need an elevator. I did build an elevator for a client in one of my tiny houses, so I know how to do it. Hopefully, I won't have to do that for a very, very long time. tell me what you think. Do you think that you could live in a house with a partner, with a child, full time, that's only 600 square feet? Let me know what you think in the comments.